had so many spectacular auroras lately?
A couple of different things. For a start, the sun has an 11-year cycle. We get the solar minimum. We're actually moving up to a maximum in 2025, so there's a bit more activity. What you're looking for are coronal mass ejections coming from the sun, geomagnetic storms, and sometimes as well that you really see a good display in the UK when you go through the equinoxes. Of course, earlier this week we had the vernal, the spring equinox, and it's just about the sun travelling from the southern hemisphere into the northern hemisphere, which is why we're going to start British summertime this weekend. We'll come back to that in just a second. But of course, it was just glorious to see those pictures this morning. Then, for some of us, it turned into a relatively disappointing day with a number of showers around. We have had some sunshine, though, and the best of it today, we saw 13 Celsius. And there are more showers on the horizon for this weekend because low pressure is very much in control of our weather, sweeping across the UK, pulling off towards the southeast, allowing more of a northerly wind to set in through the second half of the weekend into Monday. High pressure with us on Monday though, so it will be nice and settled, but it does mean we've got further showers in the forecast through the weekend. It's going to turn a bit colder too, drier by Monday. More showers next week, as you will see. In fact, a good rash of showers around at the moment. They've really pepped up in the last hour or two. They're pivoting off towards the south and east. You can see here the greens suggesting there will be some heavy bursts overnight. 7 degrees in some places in our towns overnight, but we could be low single figures in a couple of spots first thing tomorrow morning. And then through the day tomorrow, the showers are trying to clear away, change in wind direction into the afternoon. A good chance of seeing showers on the western side of the Pennines, eastern side. Will perhaps be a little bit drier here through tomorrow, but not as warm as today. And actually, there will be quite a bit of cloud around. Get some breaks in the cloud, not too bad at all, though. And then as we go over into Sunday, you can see these showers start to turn just a little bit wintry in flavour over higher ground. There aren't so many around on Sunday, but if you do see one, again towards the end of the day, it could be a bit wintry because we've got colder air digging in. And don't forget, of course, that the clocks spring forward in the early hours of Sunday morning. That starts British summertime for us, and the sun will set at 7:30 on Sunday.
Hooray!